This is the best and brand new Fedora HYPRLAND setup that you must try in 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you customizing your Fedora workstation to achieve a modern look. Thanks to Maverick developer Stephan Raabe, the installation process is fully automated, which allows you to install the brand new HYPRLAND on Fedora in just a few minutes. First, make sure you have a fresh installation copy of Fedora Workstation on your PC or laptop. In my case, I have already installed the Fedora 44 alongside Windows 11 on the same drive. This is a do-boot setup. The first thing to do after installing the Fedora Workstation is to update your system by running this command. Then run this command to run the required packages and dependencies. Before proceeding, install Timeshift, a backup tool that allows you to create snapshots of your system. Then launch the Timeshift and create a backup of your entire root system and home directory. This backup will be used to restore your system if anything goes wrong after installing these .dot files. Then click Create to take a snapshot of your system current state. It's time to set up the HYPRLAND environment using the installer script created by the Maverick developer. Now visit the GitHub page and read these instructions to understand how the HYPRLAND works on Fedora. We're going to use the brand new ML4W DOT Files that is based on the latest HYPRLAND. It supports Arch, Fedora, and OpenSUSE. Then head over to the quick installation section. You can use either stable or rolling installation command. Since I'm running Fedora, which is a rolling release distribution, I will copy the rolling command and paste it into the terminal. Before executing it, I recommend disabling sleep mode on your computer. Open Settings, go to Power Saving and disable Dim Screen, Automatic Screen Blank and Suspend options. Now execute the installation script. You can see the profile information of the .dot files. Simply use the arrow keys to highlight Yes and press Enter. The installation will begin in a few minutes. Now sit back and relax. It may take several minutes to complete. Now make sure your computer is connected to the fast and stable internet connection. Once the installation is complete, reboot your system to apply the changes. Now from the login screen, select your username, then switch the session to HYPRLAND and enter your credentials and press Enter. And voila, you are now inside the brand new HYPRLAND environment. Now keep in mind, this is one of the most beautiful HYPRLAND configurations you will ever experience. The first step after setting up HYPRLAND is to press Ctrl plus Super plus K. The Super key is the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of key bindings that provide shortcuts for opening applications, changing wallpapers, and much more. I recommend going through the list carefully and memorizing some of the most useful shortcuts. For example, to close any application window, press Super plus Q. or the escape key to close the pop-up. Now pressing Super plus Enter will launch your terminal. Now tapping this button opens the ML4W sidebar. Now from here, you can enable or disable status bar, dock, set themes, wallpapers, enable dark mode, and use settings to configure your system. Now let's open the settings application. You can press Super plus T to scale the application. Now from here, you can tweak the visual look of the user interface. With Appearance tab, you can increase or decrease the border size of the ROFI and adjust blur effect. And with system settings, you can choose your screen resolutions. It's better to stick to default configuration if you don't know what you're doing. To change or update a wallpaper, press Super plus Ctrl plus W. This action brings up a side panel to choose a wallpaper. ML4W comes with the application launcher. You can click the apps icon in the top left corner to see all of your installed applications. You can even search for any application, then simply select it and press Enter to launch. You can also change the status bar engine to the quick shell using ML4W sidebar. It looks brand new and also gives quick access to the system controls for connecting to Wi-Fi, notifications, and opening the power menu. Now let's add some custom keyboard shortcuts. The brand new ML4W DOT Files uses Lua-based configuration files for HYPRLAND. These user configuration files are used to define default applications, key bindings, and other customizations. Now let's go ahead and create a custom shortcut to launch Chrome browser. This is the Lua syntax used for key bindings. Simply replace the key combination and application name with whatever shortcut you want. For this example, I will assign Super plus G to launch Chrome. After adding the brand new key binding, save the file. Now when I press Super plus G, Chrome launches instantly. Overall, Fedora with ML4W DOT Files offers one of the best desktop experiences in 2026. And that's it for this video on installing and customizing the brand new HYPRLAND on Fedora. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content. Thank you so much for watching. This has been KSK Royal. I will see you in the next one.